press 1. Management team, press 2. Accounting and billing, press 3. Support staff, press 4. Reception, press 0. If you leave a message in general voicemail, we'll return your call as soon as possible.
Hello, Sound Ideas.
Hello, I'm Ricardo 7.
Sorry,
I am Ricardo 7.
which company you are calling?
For deleting the sound ideas urban crowds.
Yeah. What? Who you are trying to call to contact?
The sound ideas urban crowd small studio audience of children big cheers sharing one. This is an overused sound.
Okay.
And the sound is overused
have-
worldwide.
So you have any invoice? You purchase anything from our website?
And no, this is the kids sharing something was overused in YouTube.
So how may I help you? Sorry, I can't hear you.
What?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
The kids sharing sound effect or what?
Yeah, we sell sound effects on our website.
This is an true sound. And yes, can you do the kids sharing sound effect? Please?
Sorry, could you repeat again? Your line is breaking too much.
Call me for deleting the kids sharing sound effect soon. Goodbye.